Morning, guys. We're going to do a quick review of finding equivalent fractions. As we talked about in class, we can find equivalent fractions by multiplying a numerator and denominator by the same number or dividing the denominator and the numerator by the same number. Today we're going to focus on using division for this. So for our first problem, we're going to do 10/20ths. Now I can divide 10 and 20 by 2. I could divide both of them by 5, but today I'm going to divide both of them by 10. Remember that when I'm finding a number I can divide by, I have to be able to divide both numbers by that. So 10 divided by 10 is 1, and 20 divided by 10 is 2. So 10/20ths is equivalent to 1/2. Our next problem is 10/25ths. Now this time I have to find a number I can divide both numbers by. I can divide 10 by 2, but I can't do 25 divided by 2. I could divide both of them by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So 10/25ths is equivalent to 2/5. Next, we are going to do 3/15. What can I divide both 3 and 15 by?
That's a big
Well,
one
I can
and a little one,
I can
Mom.
only divide 3 really by 1 and 3. So I'm going to be dividing by 3 this time.
That's a little one and a big one.
Thank you. It is a little one and a big one. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is
There's another one, Mom.
5.
There's
3/15 is equivalent to
Mom,
1/5.
there's another
Here's our
one.
last problem for today, and this is going to be a little bit of a challenge problem. We are going to do 4/24ths. What can I divide both 4 and 24 by? I can divide both of them by 2 because they're both even numbers, but in order to get it closer to simplest form, or in simplest form, I'm going to divide both of them by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So remember, when we're finding equivalent fractions, we can use division to help us find the simplest form of a fraction.